Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for the organizer give us the opportunity to recommend our company and the technologies. I was responsible for the international business part. So here I will give a brief introduce of our company and our technology. Yeah. The presentation will involve with several parts and with our technology and equipment. Also with the reference, we are involved in Chinese market. Shanghai DODGEN Chemical Technology Company is a high technology company, which was integrating process technology development, unit equipment supply, new material research, and application. We are the equipment supplier and also the technical supplier. We are the licensor. We also can do the design of PVT and basic engineering phase and supply the client with our innovation technology with us also the key equipments. So our principle is integration, profession, innovation, and cooperation. Our company is originally set up during the year 2005, and we developed the technology more and more, especially because is the equipment import and export. And we separated during the year 2012 for the process synthesis department independently. After the business development, we reorganized our company. During the year 2018, Shanghai DODGEN Chemical Technology Company is set up. So we are committed to become a specialist in the advanced material and green process technology. We serve the customers with our innovation technology and cost-effective process solutions to create value and success together with the client. We have a high qualified technical team with rich experience in research, development, design, engineering, and operating. We have a complete system of the management and quality control systems. And we are involved also the patent systems. And now we are the new high technology company and certificated by the government with our foreign film crystallizer to be a high technology equipment. And also we are the members of the New Material Association with introduced in the Mr. He. We are the vice president unit in that associated. And also our company is certificated by the government for the high technology company in the giant scale companies. Now we developed with several branches in China. We have the head office in Shanghai, in Pudong district, Shanghai, and we have a pilot base in Ningxia, in the north of China. In that place, we developed our technology with the middle-scaled pilot plant and doing our tests and to do the optimize of the process of the new technology with our degradable plastic PGA. And we also have the Chongqing office, which developing the engineering path and with a factory to make the key equipments of the internals and also for the skid-mounted equipments and with the IND research and development center in Chongqing province. Part 2, I will introduce our technology and equipment. We are focused to also the process technology and supply the key equipment which was suitable for our technology. So mainly, we are involved in the technology of the purification, separation, and for the faster speed reaction, and also involved in the polymerization area. We developed the technologies, and this table shows in the different area for the degradable material, for bio-based material, for plastic recycle area, and extract chemicals with the new energy area, and also for the high performance area. We have the technology already in commercialization. That means we already have the reference in application and all in producing. For the degradable plastics, PLA, it is bio-based technology. And we already cooperated with the biggest supplier in China. The capacity was reached 13,000 tons per year. And for the plastic recycle, we are cooperating with an international company in Korea to recycle the DMT, the monomers of the PET. So this is the recycle of the existing plastics. And for the extract chemicals, we are doing the technology of extracts in lithium battery systems. And we usually do the high purity of the additives and solvents, the synthesis part, and also the purification part. And during this is already in the industry stage. For the high performance technologies, we have the technology from the natural gas to make the foreign mechanical foreign chemicals, hydrocyanide acid, and its derivatives. And also we have the technology of the newest station is CS2, carbosulfurized. And during this, the new research of the technologies, we also developing during the stage of the pilot plan is the PGA. It is the coal-based degradable material. And it means it will be cheaper than that one from the bio-based, and also have a good performance of the degradable, will be degradable faster than the other ones. And we also doing some technologies developing for the bio-based fertilizer, for the bio-based area. For the extract, we also have the DMC. We can make the purification of the electronic grade of the DMC with the purity more than 99.99%. And we also developing some technologies from the hydrocyanide as a raw material, then go to the new areas. The MMA also a plastic man-made. And it's with a new solution with the bio-based ethanol to MMA. This is all the others is new technologies we are doing in our lab and in our pre-study. And I will recommend some technology I think is suitable for the southeast of the Asia. Here is listed here. The first one is the solvents and additives technology for the extract. DODGEN supply like VC, EC, FEC, synthesis technology, and purification technology. We already cooperated with almost all relative leading enterprise in China. We are showing about 17% VC market. We're doing the supply of the technology of to the client. And for the hydrocyanide and the sodium cyanide technology, we are usually provide the updated ancient method hydrocyanide technology. This is the most advanced technology in the world with the lowest raw material consumption and the utilities consumption. We also supply the key equipment like the reactor and also the internals of the most key parts of the purification of separation section. And we have involved in all the capacities from the 4,000 tons per year to 16,000 tons per year. And we are in China is the biggest supplier of this technology. We are the licensor. We supply the process technology. And in China, the biggest client also choose our technology for the hydrocyanide synthesis. And we also produce the technology with the low cost of latest sodium cyanide technology, which is widely used in the mining industry. Recently, we are also received some inquiry from Indonesia companies for the asking the technology of the sodium cyanide. It's very pleasant to hear that and have this solution. We can make more connection with the Indonesian companies. And for the degradable material technology, the bio-based degradable material PLA from biological formation, it's green and environmentally friendly. So also it's very useful with the plant raw material in Indonesia. So we would like to introduce this technology to the companies in India. And also we have the high efficiency separation technology. The separation and purification established the reaction is very widely used in the traditional petrol or coal industry, and also in the oil chemical industry, phytochemical industry. Later, I will show our equipment in the separated technologies. First, I will introduce the equipment we were involved in the separation technology. For the evaporation technology, we have the falling film, wiped film, short path evaporator. In the distillation technology, we can design, make the calculation of hydraulic calculation, and also supply the key parts of the internals of the column, like the tray, strike packing, resin packing. And for liquid extraction, we have static power and rotating district contact. And for the melt crystallization, this is one of the equipment we supplied is the top in the market of China. For the different capacity of the different systems, we have the falling film crystallizer and the static melt crystallizer. This is especially is very good for the high purity chemical requirements. And also we also supply the static mixtures and the high efficiency separator. This page shows for the internals, for the design of the distillation columns, we have all different kinds of the internals, the packing, the resin, and the distribution, the collection. We make the good solution, total solution for the client to make sure get the more capacity, better quality, less consumption, and make the benefits to the customers. As mentioned before, we have the melt crystallization technology for the high purity chemicals. In the middle is the sketch of this process. It's very simple. The main process is from the raw material to get the high purity. It was controlled automatically by the POC or DCS. And in the left and in the right is a different kind of the different type of melt crystallizer. And we are using this technology is in the extract technology, in the degradable materials, polymers purification, and also monomers purification, and also in the traditionally chemical industry and also in the fine chemical. And this next page shows the ones that we are using in the raw material is go to 1980%, before 19%, and we go with the high quality of the final product with the electrical grade. Like DMC is get the 99.999%. And the right is the picture we show is from the raw material go to the final product. The color is changed very obviously. And some monomers, during the purification of some monomers or polymers, especially for the recycle systems, you need to remove the dyes. So also the crystallization technology is suitable for that. And next, I will introduce some equipment in the polymerization technology. The first one is a very high bold heat exchanger for the devolatilization. In the polymerization industry, usually you need to remove the solvents and the other small molecular impurities like the unreacted polymers, monomer polymers, and the oligomers and the solvents. This is a static equipment. Instead, the rotating equipment can save a lot of powers. We also have the different design of the multi-stage or single-stage process. And it is suitable for in the polymer process like PB, PPC, PS, POE, COC, PET, and so on. And another equipment we use in the polymerization is the DSR reactor. It is commonly used as a parallel flow reactor, but inside the shell, it have a lot of pipings with a larger surface to remove the heat of the reaction. It means it can get a very urgent, even of the temperature in the reactor. It can make the reaction get a molecular weight distribution is in sharply run. So it means you will get a good performance quality of the polymer. And this also, we also already used in the PA, PC, POM, PLA, PMMA, and so on. We already have a lot of experience in the startup plant, and also we have the references. For mentioned before, we have the technology of PLA, we have the technology of the hydrocyanic acid and the sodium cyanide, ADN, and also the other derivatives from the raw material is the hydrocyanic acid. And for the carbon disulfide, we have the latest technology of the advanced carbon disulfide production technology from natural gas. And for the extract chemicals, we have the VE, VC, FEC purification, and in the area of lithium battery. And also we have the pilot test stage of the extracts, of the new extracts. And in the naphthalene intermediates, we use our macro reaction chemicals and technologies to make the save of the fast reactor and to control the temperature under the sharp one. So this is also we have the reference. The others that we have doing in the separation and the purification of the vitamin E, molecular acid, citrate, and so on. The part 3, we will introduce our business scope and what we can do, can spread to the clients. We have the R&D center, so we can do the lab test for the client, the pilot test for the client. Especially we have a mounted skidded unit, like the distillation, the crystallization, the microreaction, and the devolatilization skid can be done the pilot test to the client. And also for the new production research and for developing new process. For the design, we had do the feasibility study, and for the process, PDP or BEP, basic engineering design for the client, and participate some parts of the DEP design. For the manufacturer, we can supply the equipment to the client, especially the key parts of the equipment and the internals of the columns was manufactured by ourselves in our factory. And also for the skid mounted system assembly. For the service, we supply the equipment to the client together with the service of the installation guidance, pre-commission, condense, startup, and to do the optimize of the operation. We are active in the traditional chemical industry, synthesis biomaterials, biodegradable plastics, and recycling. Electronic chemicals like electrolytes, solvents, and additives, and also involved in the new energy field, provide customers with advanced, reliable, competitive process technology, unit equipment, and high-quality service to the client. And this page shows in the different area, in the different field, we are main customers. Like in the petrochemical is Sinopec, Sinopetro, and Wanhua, and also for the biomaterials for the Yihai Jiali is also international oleochemical producer, and Abiochemical and Kasei, which is the supplier of the bio-based nylon. And also for the strike, we also all the top companies were our clients. Now for the special chemicals, the biggest supply one is Hebang, who is building biggest sodium cyanide, or not, hydrocyanide acid plant with a total capacity is 214,000 tons per year. With one line is 16 KTA and with 4 lines. And also with the technology was NHU with 100,000 tons per year for the sodium cyanide. And the other partners we involved. We hope many more clients from Indonesia to be our partner and our client. Thanks for a lot for our presentation. It's yes.